Hi everyone, myself Sunit Nath. In this video, we study about PCB estimation, that means determination of hematocrit. PCB means packed cell volume. So, first of all, introduction. So, hematocrits means blood separation, and it measures the percentage of volume of packed red cells. So it is also called packed cell volume or PCV. So next, methods. PCV determination, there have two methods. One is macrohematocrit method and another one is microhematocrit methods. For macrohematocrit methods, we used Winthrop tube, that is Winthrop method, and for microhematocrit we use capillary tube. So today in this video we study about macrohematocrit method by Winthrop tube. Now for this test we need some requirement. So first of all, we need, very important, is Winthrop tube. Then we need a centrifuge machine, pass-through pipette, and picking apparatus to get venous blood sample, that means syringe, and DTA vial. DTA full form is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid vial. So next, before starting the procedure, we have to know about Winthrop tube. So you can see this one is Winthrop tube. There are two tubes, Winthrop tube. So Winthrop tube is 110 mm long, narrow, thick wall tube with 3 mm internal bore, and it graduated from 0 to 10 cm with graduation both in ascending and similar descending order on two sides of tube. The scale with the marking from 0 to 10 from above downwards is used in ESR determination, and from below upward is used for PCB determination. That means this tube, Winthrop tube, is used for ESR and PCB both experiment. Now methods. So first of all, we take venous blood sample. After that, mix the blood sample in EDTA vial, and then fill the Winthrop tube with the help of pass-through pipette to the 10 centimeter mark, that means 100%, and then place the Winthrop tube in the centrifuge machine and other Winthrop tube filled with water on the opposite side so as to balance it. And next, turn the centrifuge on to the slow speed and then gradually increase the speed. After that, centrifuge the Winthrop tube for 30 minutes at 3000 rpm, and then after 30 minutes stop the centrifuge machine and take out the Winthrop tube and note the reading directly of the graduation. Now observation. So you can see there, first of all, normal range you have to know. The male normal range is 44% and female normal range is 42%. So 38 to 50% male average and 36 to 45% female average. So you can see the diagram. First of all, we have to take the venous blood and mix with EDTA vial. After the centrifuge, after centrifugation we get the three layers of Winthrop tube. The first layer, upper layer is plasma, middle one is Buffy coat, and bottom is the packed cell of our RBC. So Buffy coat means is WBC or platelet. So we count the red color, that means RBC, 8th site. we measure. So that means the A2 side, that means peg cells, we have to take reading. So I hope you understand about peg cell volume by Winthrop tube method or macrohematocrit method. So next video we study about Winthrop PCP by microhematocrit method. Thank you.